Article 29 of the Constitution very clearly lays down that minorities have a right to protect, preserve, and advance their language and their script. Word script is used, and all other things. Article 30 gives the minorities the right to start their educational institution, and government cannot deny grants because it is a minority institution. Article 365A was later introduced to the same effect. आमी कित करपा जाय, आमी आमच्या इगर्जेक वचोन डायजन सोसायटी इस्कलाक मेळपा जाय सेक्रेटरी आहा ताका, आनी आमच्या न्यू एकाडेमीक इयर जाता तेन्ना एक आवय बापूयन इस्कलांत बरोवन घालपा जाय मुगेल भुरग्याक एक सब्जेक्ट रोमन स्क्रिप्ट कोंकणी शिकोवपाक जाय म्हूण. यू हॅव टू पुट अ डिमांड. तो एक पाट डिमांड घायलो, देन दे कॅनॉट से नो बिकॉज द लॉ इज टोटली इन आवर फेवर. माग आमगे मायनॉरिटी म्हणटकच आमची स्क्रिप्ट आमची लँग्वेज मागल्यार आमकां दिवपा जाय तेणी. द मोमेंट दॅट इज डन, if government doesn't go, we go to the court will order it to be given. Then books will be published in Roman Konkani, and automatically Roman Konkani will become a subject of study in schools.